Priscilla and I'm taking accounting. As a student of accounting, I study a lot of subjects as English language, statistics, basic accountant labs, accountant information system, organizational, Pancasila, and religious education. In this opportunity, I would like to present to you 10 terms of accounting and the example which I believe you must know. And accrual accounting is record financial transaction when they occur rather than when cash change hands. For example, when goods are received without payment, an account payable is recorded. GAAP is a general accounting standard and publicly traded company that has been developed over years of acquisition and which is used by business to obtain financial information. For example, accounting is done in fiscal period which may not coincide with actual calendar periods. They instead coincide with the relevant event that happened to the company with respect to accounting standards. Reconciliation is the act of proving an account balance, debit and credit equal. An example of reconciling an account is to verify that the bank statement matches the checkbook balance, making allowance for outstanding checks and deposits. Subsidiary account is accounts that are under a control account. They must equal the main account balance. An example of subsidiary accounts may be office supplies or cleaning supplies, although the control account called supplies. Liabilities. Liabilities are debts that are mandatory or must be paid by the company at a certain time in the future. Here are for example of small business. A freelance social media marketer is required by her state to collect sales tax on each invoice she sends to her clients. The money sits in her business bank account. It's still a liability because that money needs to be sent to the state at the end of the month. 6. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is the cost incurred in the production process of product and service that can be directly linked to the activity of making goods or services that are ready to sell. An example of what can be listed as cost of goods sold include the cost of material and labor, the wholesale price of goods that are resold, such as in grocery store, overhead, and storage. Any business supplies not used directly for manufacturing a product that are included in cost of goods sold. 7. Account payable. Account payable is an account in the general ledger that represents a company obligation to pay off short-term debt to its creditor or suppliers. An example of account payable include accounting service, legal service, supplies, and utilities. Account payable are usually reported in a business balance sheet under short-term liabilities. Balance sheet. A balance sheet is a list of assets, liabilities, and business equity at a certain date, usually at the close of the last day of the month or year. An example of Amazon 2017 balance sheet taken from Travis Amazon case study course. As you will see, it starts with current assets, then non-current assets, and total assets. Below that is liabilities and stockholders' equity, which includes current liabilities, non-current liabilities, and finally shareholders' equity. 9. Shareholders. Shareholders are individuals or institutions, include corporations, who legally own one or more shares in a public or private company. Shareholders can be called a member of the corporation. By law, a person is not a shareholder in a company until the name and other details are included in the list of shareholders or corporation members. For example, employees, suppliers, customers, the community are typically considered stakeholders because their contribute value are impacted by the corporation. And present value. The present value of money shows the value of the current amount of money that can be interested to get a large amount in the future. For example, if you are promised $110 in 1 year, the present value is the current value of that $110 today. Okay, that's what I can present to you about term of accounting and the example. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.